Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to enable the sidebar in Microsoft Edge browser. So open the Edge browser. As you see, there's no sidebar shown here. So press three dots on top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. On the left tab, select the sidebar menu. As you can see, there is an option for sidebar. Always show sidebar, which is turned off at the moment. I will turn it on. As you can see, the sidebar is enabled now. So this is a pretty straightforward process, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.